know these movies today, moving pictures? They're all the same. Show you one thing, especially these airplane pictures. Look, you come into the theater, you sit down, and the first thing you hear is the music. Then way back in the screen, you see a little speck. It's an airplane. And it gets bigger and 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 bigger, and finally it swoops up. And on the bottom of the wings is the title. Wings over Bommenschüssel. We fade into a scene in Colonel Brack's office. Well, Colonel Brack is making a speech to his men. Gentlemen, we are here to pick a volunteer for a one-man bombing of Bommenschüssel. Then we see camera close-ups of different faces. Grim. Determined. Let me at him. I'll kill him. I'll murder him. I'll get him. Revengeful. Nervous. The nervous one we just saw is that of a kid. He's a young fella just joined up. He's about 11 years old. He's a major. Finally, the whole thing is left up to the two aces of the squadron, Bill and Smiling Jim. But the colonel wishes them all good luck. Good luck, my boy. Good luck, my boy. Get up there, you go up and fight. I'll stay here. Good luck, my boy. Good luck, Major. You're a grand little boy. Now we see Bill and Smiling Jim in the locker room. Two handsome men. One with a mustache and one without a mustache. That's for the girls who like mustaches and the girls who don't like mustaches. Smiling Jim speaks first. I'll take up the plane, Bill. You marry Jane. Bill speaks. Nah, Jim, I'll take up the plane. You marry Jane. Jim goes, look, Bill, out the window. See out there, quick. It's better this way. Puts on his flying suit. Zip. Puts on his parachute. Up there, upfield. Into his plane. Contact. Switch on. Turn her over. It's a very simple plane. Anybody can fly it. Roger, 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 Roger. Somebody tell me who is Roger. Taking off on runway number 4, clear the field, please. Wind information, wind northeast by southwest, southwest, but crossing and downdraft on south side of the field, come across the altitude, I'm going straight ahead. Taking off now. Taking off. It's a heavy plane, you know. Now the scene switches back to Bill lying unconscious on the locker room floor. He gets up. What happened? What happened? He knows what happened. Runs up the control tower. Says the orderly. Where's Smiling Jim? Just took off from the plane, sir. Well, get me in contact with him right away. Yes, sir. Jim, you fool. Bring that plane in immediately, you hear me? Bring that plane in immediately, you fool, you! There's no propeller on it! Now the camera stays with Jim as he flies on to Bommenschüssel. He's always looking down. Always looking down. Never looks up, because that's where the Germans are. Finally, we see the Germans fight with them. The German planes always look so horrible. Always black, the big swastika and the skull and the crossbones and the pilots. Always with the black mustache, the square goggles and the black helmets. They look so mean. But the Americans, Nice, clean cut, fellas. Finally, the German squad leader looks down. He sees smiling Jim. He says to his comrades, Achtung, Achtung, bleiben wir stehen für die Platz. Let's go for the Fuhrer. Smiling Jim looks up, sees the German planes coming down. He swoops his plane up. He's smiling. Gets a position. Opens up. 2 German planes go down. But still the Germans come on. And the American. Jim gets a position again. Opens up. 2 more German planes go down. He's in trouble. Now there are only 2 planes left in the sky. The German and the American. Jim gets in position again. Opens up. Jim's guns are jammed. Meanwhile, the German swoops around, gets it back at Jim, opens up. Jim's tail is gone. Again, the German comes in. Jim's right wing is gone. Again, the German comes in. Jim's left wing is gone. Now, with no tail. No right wing, no left wing, no machine guns. He heads straight for the German. Now Jim is alone in the sky. He looks down and he's all the bomb machine. Opens his bomb bays, looks into the bomb sight. There goes the factory. There goes the chemical works. There goes the ammunition dump. 5 o'clock, Jim goes home.